Air conditioning repair, North Myrtle Beach Heating and Air. What should you do if your air conditioner is acting up? While DIY repairs are possible, it is unlikely that you will be able to resolve the problem completely on your own. It is best to hire an expert who has experience in air conditioning repair. Are you looking for an air conditioning repair expert in your area? It can be difficult to find an air conditioner specialist during the summer. Common problems with your air conditioner are repairing refrigerant leaks, which requires the repair and recharging of the refrigerant. Drainage problems. Air conditioner drainage can cause problems that can be avoided with proper cleaning. Compressor failure. Air conditioner compressors can last a very long time, but they are not immune to problems. Basic troubleshooting guide. Make sure to check the thermostat settings. Replace the filter as needed. Clean the outside and inside units of the system. North Myrtle Beach Heating and Air can provide reliable and professional HVAC services. Call us now. Call 843-399-3237 for all your air conditioning needs. Visit us online at www.northmyrtlebeachheatingondair.com.